It has been months since I have visited with you about my weight gain, my weight loss, my menopausal weight struggles. I was approaching a 200-pound weight mark. When I kept adding weight, it was really affecting my health. I had special shoes, I was in a boot for my feet, I was using a scooter off and on. I struggled to get up from the floor, my stamina was bad, my balance wasn't right. I was not used to carrying around that much weight. And looking at me, you may not have known, but I use this picture a lot in my thumbnails because even my family, looking back on it, they're like, what in the world? When was that picture taken? And when I tell them, they think, I don't remember you being that overweight. And I thought, me neither. I was just so change blind because it happened so gradually. If you've watched my channel, you know that I lost 30 pounds using the BodySlims program. It was an online program. The coaching was live. You would tune into weekly seminars and daily messaging. It truly gave me the information I needed and the steps I needed to just run with it and do it, but with this weekly ongoing motivation and information to get me to the end point. I had been doing it for 3 years. So I was 58, I'm now 61. I had done very well. Once I lost the weight, I was able to pretty much keep it off and stay around my comfort zone. If you are a woman who is struggling with your weight, it kind of becomes one of those things that is always on your mind. And I was kind of at that place in October. I thought, I'm always trying to watch my calories. It was always this managing my weight on my mind. It was just ever present. I started listening to other approaches. Something kept popping up on my feed when I was on YouTube, and it was a program called Lean. It's taught by a registered dietitian, Amanda Nybert. I really liked how she was very focused on food and getting the right food and getting the right nutrition and things like that. And even though I had learned to eat better on BodySlims and I had my meal plan and that's kind of what I was sticking to, I do want to learn how to eat better. I didn't understand what macros were. I don't understand what carbs and proteins and fats and all of that. I just never knew. So I thought, okay, I'm going to give this a try. One of the things that really attracted me to it was that nutrition was the key focus. They exercise every day. She has these great little workouts that you can do. But the thing I was testing, because I'm always doing some sort of test here, usually with skincare, but I thought, hey, if I can focus less on this daily 1 hour, if I can do it every other day or maybe 30 minutes, if I can do more with how I'm feeding my body and learning to eat better, then that would really serve me well. So I enrolled in the program, but then I started noticing pretty quickly that it was a different kind of challenge for me. The structure of it was, you log in and you're put in a group. And even though she does her talks, maybe, I can't even remember how often it was very different than BodySlims. You were accountable to the group. You were accountable to the coach. They wanted to hear from you every day. They wanted you to check in every day. I don't like that. I don't need one more thing placed upon me as a requirement or responsibility. I'm struggling enough as I am just to go to work and get my house cleaned and get myself ready and do the things I need to do. It just, guys, it did not work for me. And it's kind of, I felt so defeated because I had really high hopes. And all along these 3 years that I've been doing this, I have found pathways that help me improve my health, improve my weight, reduce my body fat. So when this happened, I gained weight and it really stopped me in my tracks. Now, I will say there were things I did learn on the program, things I've learned about nutrition, things I've learned about eating protein. I have learned things. She did teach me things. But the whole process and the setup, the structure of the program it was not for me. I share that with you to say that these last few months have been a big struggle for me. I have gained weight again. It's not up to 200 pounds, but it is over my comfort zone. I had reached the point of 175 pounds. Now for me, when I would ever get to that 162, 163, I would be very careful. And so this kind of was a runaway train to me. It felt like, oh my gosh, this is happening so fast, because right after the program came, Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's, and I was absolutely spiraling out of control, thinking, oh my goodness, I can't go backward. I am never going to go back to that weight. I have put so much time and effort into this. But I think that's one of the reasons why I just didn't show up here, to talk about it, because I was confused and I was disappointed in myself. I was disappointed that I couldn't share something with you that could help you. But that brings me to where I am today. And it is different. And I do have news to share with you. So, another story. When I did lose the weight, after I did BodySlims and I was in maintenance, they were just starting to come out with these weight loss injectables. I think they did have Mounjaro and Ozempic back then, but it was very expensive and it was prescription and it was for people who had diabetes. And I remember back then, after I lost weight, it was maybe 6 months to 9 months after that, there became this transition in the world of weight loss. And people who were having insulin issues, who were pre-diabetic, who were struggling to lose weight, were given the chance to try out this service. So I remembered back then, I have a really close friend, and she was taking the weight loss shot. And I remembered her telling me, I'm going to do it, but I'm not doing it the way you did it. I'm cheating. And I told her, I said, that is absolutely untrue. You did something big. You acknowledged that you wanted to get healthy. You took shots. You did it. You got there. You lost 30 pounds. I mean, I think it was tremendous. And I guess I want to share that with you, because if you do weight loss surgery, whatever it is you want to do as a woman, as a human, you have the right to do that. And we live in a day and age where there are so many opportunities. So as I was thinking about this weight gain of mine, and it wasn't just that it had stopped, it was progressing. I just kept going and kept going. I thought, I'm going to look into this, because now I was kind of at a place where I thought, well, I know how to do BodySlims. I know I've tried this other program, Lean, and now that I've tried these, I want to compare something different. So I decided to try a weight loss injectable. And so that is my news I'm sharing with you today. I'm not embarrassed that I am going down this new path. I am not ashamed, and I don't think anybody should be ashamed. So here's what I did, and here's why I'm also sharing this with you. I was able to once again use a service that was kind of like BodySlims in that it's an online program. I did something locally, but since then I have learned there are other programs, and I will put information over at my blog, which is AnnEvolving.com, and I will also put some links down below to see if it's something you want to do. I'm not advocating it. I still like BodySlims too, and they still offer their programs. But I'm just saying, if you want to do this, if you want to learn about it, I now have information for that too. It has been a couple of months now. I'm going very slow. I don't want to do anything quickly. And I'm still applying all of the things I learned about protein, getting the right amount with each meal, getting the right amount each day, having a structure so that I'm not eating all the time, drinking my 2 liters of water. I feel so good about what's happening, because I'm not only losing weight, I'm losing body fat. I'm sharing with you all of this to say a couple of things. Number one, whatever works for you is okay. It is okay. I think that it takes a lot of bravery and self-awareness to do something for yourself, whether it's skincare, mental health, physical health, weight, anything like that. I think it's wonderful, and I think it's great that we can come here and talk about it, and that's why I'm here, because I am evolving, I'm growing, I'm learning, And if it helps you, that's the point of this. I am not worried about people having things to say about me. I am not worried about anything like that anymore. At the age I am well past that. I hope you feel comfortable doing whatever it is you want to do. And if what I do helps you know or try something, that's what this is about. What's working for you? Have you tried the weight loss injectables? Oh, I forgot to tell you, I'm on tirzepatide, just in case you wanted to know. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you're doing great, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.